Hey guys, what's up? It's Mercedes Michelle and we're jumping right into this party frame video. This was previously recorded. I just had to fix the audio. So first thing first, you're going to need a poster board. Now this board I got from the Dollar Tree. You can also use a box if you don't want to spend any money. So it is a very budget friendly DIY. Now I got these cardstock papers from Hobby Lobby and I got the gold poster board from Hobby Lobby as well. These letters are from Mariah's party frame last year and I'm just reusing those letters, but you can get them at your local Walmart. Alright, and you will need either a glue gun or some E6000 glue, whichever works best for you or whatever you have on hand. Also need a knife cutter, so something to cut the poster board so you can form the frame. And this is just decoration. So I got these stickers from Hobby Lobby. You can get these same ones at Walmart, I believe. And then I'm just showing you guys where I get my pictures from. So her theme was Sofia. So we're using some Valentine cards that has Sofia on them. And then she can take these to school and pass them out for Valentine. And she also has this book that I'm going to be taking some pictures from. And I'm probably just going to use the cover and then she can use the book to color. So I got these rhinestones from my local Dollar Tree. You can pick these up at the Dollar Tree. They also have the self-adhesive ones as well. I got some stickers and I believe I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. They're just the Sofia stickers. You'll need a ruler to measure out the size you want your party frame to be. So how wide or thick you want the actual frame to be. That's pretty much all you need to complete your party frame. So whatever theme you're doing, just take that into consideration. So the way that I do my party frame, I go in and I measure based on how thick I want the frame to be. So here I believe it's either 3 or 4 inches. I'm not quite sure. It does depend on the size of your party frame as well. This poster board is on the smaller side. And it's a foam board. I don't know why I keep saying poster board, but the actual foam board is on the smaller side. So I believe I only measured about 3 to 4 inches. That's how thick the frame is going to be. And then I'm going to cut out the middle part. And you just want to draw out your line and connect all of the little lines that I drew here. Connect all of those just so you know exactly where you're cutting your party frame out. It just makes it easier to have that line for a sense of direction. So now it's time to cut out the frame. So basically you're going to just stay on the line across the entire board. So go down, around, and up, just basically cutting out a rectangle. And the foam board is a little thick, so it is going to take a little muscle to get the frame to frame this out, and it's also going to take a little muscle to stay on track. So to have like a straight line, you're really going to have to try to stay on track and not go off the line, because then your frame is going to be crooked. And we do not want a crooked frame. So if you mess up, it's fixable. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be as neat as possible. All right, and that is the hard part done with. You have your frame, and now it's just up to you on how you're going to decorate it and what theme you're going to do and how you're going to decorate this frame. So the hard part is out the way and it's just time to decorate. So I'm going to stop talking and let the video play out and let you guys see how I decorate this Sofia themed party frame. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.